Bato.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Manila International Airport. Welcome to Manila. The time now for convenience is 7 minutes past the hour of 9. The communication between the tower and the flight deck is still ongoing. Please keep all your cell phones off inside the aircraft. Patiliin muna nakasara lahat ng mga telepono habang nasa loob ng plano. For safety reasons, please not remove your hand-carried baggage from your overhead bin until the fast and stable sign is switched off or when the aircraft comes to a complete stop. We are now passing to Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation.
There's another airplane, Joe.
Before you leave the aircraft, please check your seat pocket, your sitting area, and the overhead bins for any hand-carried items that you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Tulin Jr. and the Destiny Airbus A320 crew, we thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you again in your future
Take
flight.
off yun.